My name is Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you how to clean plastic mini blinds. First, if they're really dusty, you want to take a feather duster to them, close them. I am using a feather duster to dust these. There are other products you can buy specifically for blinds that you can use to dust them, but this works just as well, I think. You just go over them. Flip them up the other way and get the other side really well. And then to remove any excess or dust that may be in the corners, you want to get a rag. Just get it wet and do the detailing. It's not too time consuming, and when your blinds are clean, it's totally worth it. Again, my name is Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you clean plastic mini blinds.